Good morning, everyone. New chapter is electric current through conductor, which is chapter number 3. It has marks 4 to 6. Okay. Now, basic concept in this chapter is electric current. One point is clear that electric current is produced by positively charged particle or negatively charged particles. Many times we use these words in this chapter, electric current. Then what is the electric current? Let us see. In this diagram, we have shown the flow of charged particles. Positively charged particles as well as negatively charged particles are flowing in different direction with a different speed. Then the amount of positively charged particle in forward direction is Q plus, and the amount of negatively charged particles flowing in forward direction is Q minus. Then what is the net charge flowing in the forward direction? Therefore, net charge flowing in the forward direction is Q is equal to the Q plus minus Q minus. Okay, and this quantity is directly proportional to the time. Therefore, Q is directly proportional to the time. Therefore, Q is equal to the I into T, and therefore, I is equal to the Q upon T. This is the important formula for electric current I. Therefore, electric current is denoted by letter I. Therefore, I is defined as rate of flow of charge is called as electric current. एका मिनिटामध्ये किती चार्ज फ्लो होतोय, एका सेकंदात किती चार्ज फ्लो होतोय, ओके, एका तासामध्ये किती चार्ज फ्लो होतोय, that quantity is called as a electric current. This electric current is measured in ampere. Name of the scientist. It may be the milliampere or microampere or nanoampere. All these are the units of electric current. Okay, then the electric current during the lightning in the sky could be the order of 10,000 ampere. It is very high. ज्यावेळेस वीज कडाकते, लाइटनिंग इन द स्काय, त्यावेळेस जो काही करंट असतो तो किती असतो? इट इज 10,000 ampere. And the current in the household circuit could be the order of few ampere. It may be the 6 ampere, it may be the 7 ampere or up to the 10 ampere. ओके, म्हणजे आपल्या घरामध्ये जो काही करंट असतो की व्होल्टेज इज नथिंग बट ए 240 व्होल्ट हॅव्हिंग द फ्रिक्वेन्सी इज 50 हर्ट्ज अँड करंट इज ए 6 ampere. But during the lightning in the sky, the current is very, very high. Then the electric current through the conductor, how it is flow in the conductor, let us see this. And important quantity is nothing but a drift velocity. We have to see the drift velocity. What is the drift velocity and its expression? You know that conductor means the material which can pass the current, because it consists of a free electron. Suppose this is the conductor, suppose this is the copper wire. It consists of electrons, free electrons. See this in this way. all the electrons are the free electrons which are in the random motion. Therefore, there is a no net motion of a electrons in the conductor. But when we apply the electric field to this conductor, then what happened? Electric current flow through the conductor. Okay, let us see the diagram, draw the diagram related to this. We apply the electric field E. This is conducting wire, say you copper. Okay, this is point A, this is point B. This is the motion of electrons. Okay, in this diagram we have shown that this is the copper wire. Okay, then this copper wire, it is the conducting wire. Okay, good conductor of electricity is nothing but a silver, but we use, domestic use is nothing but a copper wire because it is the cheap. Okay, now this conductor means copper wire is connected to the battery supply, okay, which produces the electric field E. Then current is set up in the circuit. Electric field is set up and therefore current is flowing through the conductor. Before that the electron is flowing and then current is flowing in the conductor. The direction of flow of electron is opposite to that of the electric current. Okay, and the direction of VD means drift velocity. When we apply the electric field to this conductor, then what happens? Then these electrons tend to drift in a particular directions. It is the important point. की जे पहिल्यांदा रॅन्डम मोशनमध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते, फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते, ते ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ही अप्लाय करतात, then these electrons tend to drift in a particular directions. Okay, and therefore that electron has a drift velocity which is represented by the Vd. V for velocity and D for drift. Then what is the drift velocity? Drift velocity is defined as it is the average velocity attained by the charged particles such as electrons in the materials due to the electric field. This is the definition of drift velocity. Okay, then now we calculate the expression for drift velocity. Okay, we consider that the length of this conducting wire is capital L. Okay, then L is the length of conducting wire, N is the number of electrons per unit volume of the wire. Okay, what is A? A is the area of cross section of a wire and which is equal to the pi r square. Then what is the total number of electrons? The total number of electrons is equal to the NaL. The total number of the electrons in the wire is the NaL, where N is the number of electrons, A is the area of cross section of that wire and L is the length of that wire. Okay, then what is the total charge? Total charge Q is equal to the NaL into E, where E is the charge on electron. This is the total charge Q in the wire, which is equal to the NaL into E. Okay, where E is the charge on electron. Okay, now what is the velocity of electron? Drift velocity is equal to the distance upon time. Okay, distance upon time. Distance is here L, upon time is T. Therefore, T is equal to the, therefore we get here Vd is equal to the L upon T, and this represent that small t is equal to the L upon Vd. Okay. Now, what is the I? I is equal to the Q upon T. What is Q? Yes, say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Put this substitution in this equation. Therefore, Q is equal to NaL into E upon V. Q ची व्हॅल्यू पुट अप केली NaLe. T is L upon Vd. This L get cancelled. Therefore, I is equal to the I is equal to NaE into Vd. Okay. Then what is the Vd? Vd is equal to the I upon NaE. We get the here Vd means drift velocity is equal to the I upon NaE. Okay, this D is suffix Vd. Okay, therefore Vd is equal to the I upon NaE. Then I upon A is called as a current density and it is represented by J. Therefore, we get here Vd is equal to the J upon Ne, where J is equal to the I upon A, and which is equal to the current density. Current density. Okay, say this. We get here Vd is equal to I upon NaE. This is the expression for or equation for a drift velocity, and this is the again the expression for Vd in terms of J. J means current density and it is represented as I upon A is equal to the J. And what is the SI unit of current density? SI unit of I is ampere, area as a unit meter square. Therefore, SI unit of J means current density is ampere per meter square. Okay, let us solve the problems related to this equation. Problem number first. A metallic wire of diameter 0.02 meter contains 10 raised to 28 free electrons. Metallic wire is given whose diameter is 0.02 meter. Therefore, in solution, data is diameter capital D is equal to the 0.02 meter. From this diameter, you can calculate the radius of the wire. R is equal to the 0.01 meter. Okay, 0.01 meter, because radius is diameter divided by 2. It contains 10 raised to 28 free electrons. Therefore, number of electrons N is 10 raised to 28 electrons. Okay, per cubic meter. Find the drift velocity for free electrons. Therefore, we have to calculate Vd. Having an electric current of 100 ampere. Therefore, value of current is 100 ampere flowing through the wire. Okay, metallic wire is given. It consists of 10 raised to 28 free electrons. Okay, diameter of that wire is 0.02 meter. Therefore, we can calculate the radius of that wire is 0.01 meter, and the current flowing through that wire is 100 ampere, and we have to find out the value of Vd, means drift velocity. Okay, and given the charge on electrons, the value of E is equal to the 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Okay, you should know this value of charge on electron. Then use the formula for Vd, drift velocity. Just we have obtained the equation for Vd. Then what is the formula for Vd? Vd is equal to the I upon NAE, where I is the current flowing through the conductor, N is the number of electrons, A is the cross-sectional area of that wire, and E is the charge on electron. Okay, then first we calculate the A. Okay, what is the area? A is pi r square. Okay, pi is 3.142 into r is 0.01 bracket square. Therefore, A is 3.142 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. This is 10 raised to minus 2, and 10 raised to minus 2 square is 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. Therefore, we get A is equal to the 3.142 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. This is the value of A. Then put all the values in the equation number, say 1. Okay. Then calculate the Vd. Therefore, Vd means drift velocity is equal to I. Current is 100. Okay. 100 upon N. N is 10 raised to 28 into A is 3.142 into 10 raised to minus 4 into E 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Next step is our substitution. सर्व values put केले आपण. Okay. Therefore, Vd is equal to the 1 upon 3.142 into 1.6. Okay. This is 10 raised to 2. Okay, this is 10 raised to 28, 10 raised to minus 4, 10 raised to minus 19, there, and this is 10 raised to 2. Okay, then if you calculate this, it becomes 10 raised to S, this, and this, 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, therefore, Vd is equal to the 1 upon 3.142 into 1.6 is 5.027 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, therefore, Vd is equal to the 0.1989 into 10 raised to minus 3. See the reciprocal of 5.02. Not necessary to calculate the, see the log of 1, see the log of 5.02, and then do the subtraction and see the antilog. Not necessary to do that. Directly you can see the reciprocal of 5.02 in your log table book of column reciprocals. Okay, then we get this value 0.1989 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, therefore, Vd is equal to the 1.989 into 10 raised to minus 4. Unit of velocity is meter per second. SI unit of velocity is meter per second and CGS unit is centimeter per second. आपण सर्व व्हॅल्यूज SI मध्ये घेतल्या होत्या. Therefore, unit is this, meter per second. Therefore, answer is drift velocity for free electrons is 1.989 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter per second. Okay? Let us stop here.